moment. We have some letters to do. I said letters. Woohoo, it's exciting. Ooh, I don't need a workbook open just yet. We ready? I'm ready. Y'all ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's look at it. So, I told you guys that we were going to be adding letters into our math, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So, these letters are not as scary as they may seem. These letters are going to be our unknown. Everybody say the letter.
The letter.
That wasn't right. The letter.
The letter
Is. Always.
Always.
The unknown.
The unknown.
The letter.
The letter
Is. Always.
Always.
The unknown.
The unknown.
So anytime you see a letter in these math problems, that stands for what?
The unknown.
My unknown number. So let's look at our first word problem here. There are 48 teacher mailboxes in the office. The mailboxes are in 6 equal rows. How many mailboxes are in each row? Who can remember what representation we're going to be using today? I said at the beginning. Carson, I just asked you that. What are we going to be using to represent today, Carson? No. If I'm representing, I'm doing what? I'm drawing something, right? What am I going to use to represent my math today, Andre? An array. An array. So, I'm going to go ahead and draw my array. I'm going to draw a really pretty array. I know what my total is, right? My total is what? 48. I know how many mailboxes, right? I have 6 mailboxes, right? But I have a problem. I don't know how many in each group. How many in each group it can also be called my what?
Unknown.
My unknown. What am I going to use to represent our unknown? I what? Mac and cheese. Everybody freeze. Everybody freeze. Let's see. My unknown, right? Because I don't know what it is. What did we just say all together that's going to show my unknown, Miguel? A letter. A letter. Carson, what you doing? Don't draw on that, please. A letter. So if I'm looking for mailboxes, what would be a good letter to represent my unknown? An M. I like that, an M. And B. Yeah. So I have my total. I know how many groups. And I have my unknown, which is represented by an M or a letter, right? An M or a letter. Let's see. We need to find out how many mailboxes are in each row. How can I do that? What kind of equation can I use? What kind of equation can I use, Cohen? Can you use division? What would that look like? I like that. Let's see, 48 divided by, I could do 6, right? Could I do 6? I could do 6. Equals what? Our letter, right? Because it's unknown. Our letter. So whenever it asks you to write an unknown factor equation, your factor equation is going to look like this because we have to have that unknown letter in there. Now how do I solve it? What do I do? What can I solve it? Our cabinet array.
Draw 48 minus 6.
Our cabinet array.
48 minus 6.
I'm not subtracting anything, dude.
That's the big item.
Oh, Cohen, you're getting a dojo for that one. Cohen told us to do what? Now, Cohen, what are we doing? We're skip counting by 6s. So I'm going to skip count by 6 until I get to what number, Cohen? Kiss your brain. Because that was beautiful. Let's do it. Ready? Ready? 6. Oh, wait, that's not right. I'm sorry. Whoopsie daisies. All right, you ready? 6, 12,
18, 20, 24, wait,
huh?
30, 36, 42,
mailboxes, right? It took me how many sixes to get to 48? It took me 8 sixes to get to 48. Which means I have how many mailboxes in each? I have 8 mailboxes. 8 mailboxes. This is what my array can look like. So diagram. Got it? Let's try it again.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yes.
Ooh, I like this one. I kind of like this one. Ooh, yeah. Okay, so once again, my letter is always my unknown. And if you guys notice something, there's a number in every single one of these problems. And what is that number? 6. And that tells me that we're counting by 6. Ready? I'm looking for K. 7 times 6 equals K, my unknown. What is 7 times 6? Ooh, what is it? I want somebody else because I got a bunch of people in the back that ain't. What's it book open? Close it. 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 We're not doing that right now. Close it. What is 7 times 6, Harper? What is it? 42. We agree? Let's try it out. 6, 12,
18, 24, 30, 36, 40, 42.
42. Alright, this one is a division. 48 divided by 6 equals R. R is my unknown. How can I figure out what 48 divided by 6 is?
Oh, skip count.
I can skip count by what?
6,
By 6. Let's do it. 6.
12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48.
So 6 times what is 48?
6 times 8.
6 times 8. Ooh, this one's in the middle. This one's in the middle, y'all. 6 times P is 36. How do I figure out what my unknown is?
Count by 6.
Skip count by 6. Let's do it. Ready? 6.
12, 18, 24, 30, 36.
So 6 times what is 36? Times 6. Look at this one. 54 divided by H equals 6. How can I figure out what my H
Count
is?
by 6.
Skip count by 6. Let's do it. 6.
12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54.
Right? So 54 divided by what equals 6?
9.
Last one. Ooh, this one starts at the beginning. My unknown is in the beginning. What divided by 3 equals 6? Ooh.
Skip count by 6 is 3 times. Yeah. Skip count by 6 3 times.
Okay. Let's test that because Andre told me if I skip count by 6 is 3 times. Let's see. 6, 12. Okay, so in Andre's mind, 18 divided by 3 equals 6. So how can we check this answer, Andre? What can we do? How can we check it? What's the opposite of division? Multiplication. So what 2 numbers in my equation can I multiply together to see if I got my total right?
6 3.
Let's try it out. You ready?
6, 8.
Is Andre right?
Yes.
Snaps and claps for Andre. Beautiful. Okay, we just said that. All right, ready? Get going. Ooh, okay. I need you to get your workbooks. Workbooks, please. Workbooks, please. Workbooks, please. Workbooks, please. Making it work. Ooh, wow, that's a whole lot of chitter chatter. Yeah. Alright. When you open up your book, you should see some balloons. You're welcome. You should see some balloons. All right. Our first one is telling us what we're skip counting by, guys. It's telling us. Letter B, we basically have to fill in our different number sentences. Please read these carefully. Please. If you need help, I will gladly help you. I would love to help you. All you need to do is raise your hand. Okay? Get it? Got it good?
Yeah.
Awesome. Let's get started. Where's the time to go? Yes, sir. Alright guys, so for this first part where you're skip counting, this looks a little weird. I don't know why. I don't know if I don't like that. So what you can do is like for your red balloons, right? For your red balloons, we have how many in each group? We have 3. So we have 3 red ones. I don't like that. No, I don't. Yeah. No, the other one. That was fine. So we're gonna count them by 3s. We have 3, 6. Okay.
I did.
All right. And that's what you're spelling. Huh? Well, I didn't erase it. You erased it by yourself. Like this. Guys, if your first page is done, you can move on. Yes, ma'am. How many do you have total? Yep, look, 3, 6. You have 3. Nope. Count by 3s. 3. Here. 6. So we're counting, Don. Okay, you're missing a number. You're missing. 10, 3 to 30. Yeah. Okay, 2 groups of 5. 2 groups of 5 times what? Hold on. That was weird. I don't like this at all. None of them have 5. Are y'all all stuck on the last part?
Yes.
Yeah. All right. Hold on. Let me look at my book. Yes. Alright, I'll be helping. Just a minute. Can I grab that book real quick? You're rolling on that.
Confusing. How do you think it's saying? How are you want to say it's not hard? Look at this.
Okay. Everybody listen. Jeremiah, please don't throw things. You're gonna hurt somebody else out. Alright. This is how we're gonna look okay? Remember how with our blocks we had 2 different colors, like Gage had blue blocks and Carter had orange blocks? Okay, we're gonna look at this like our blocks. Our red ones are one row right here, just red ones. And our purple ones are the other row. So how many red balloons do I have in total? How many, Cohen? 15, which means I have how many purple balloons in total? 15. Okay. So, do we know how many balloons I have in all together? Like all of them? How many I have? 30 of them. Let's look right here. 2 groups of 5 times what? Okay. How many groups of red balloons do I have? How many? Somebody tell me. I have 5 groups of red balloons. How many red balloons are in each group? 3. So 2 groups of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times what? 3, because I have 3 in each group, is the same as 5 times what? 6. 5 times 3?
No, 5 times 6.
We get 5 times 6 from?
It's our special number.
Because it says 2 groups of 5 times.
Special number. 6 is our special number.
6 is our special number. You got it. But let's check it. Because Miss Laney's brain said it was 5 times 3. But y'all might be right. Oh, let's see. Let's test it. 5 times 3 is what?
50.
15. Okay. But I have 2 groups of that. So I would have what? 15 plus
15.
15 plus 15, and that gives me what is the total?
30.
30. Okay, we have 30. It's telling me that this is the same as 5 times 6. What is 5 times 6? Huh. So is it right?
Yes.
Beautiful. Kiss those brains. Okay, y'all, move on.
That was hard.
Real hard. My buddy's in the back. Are y'all paying attention and doing your stuff? Because I see y'all playing back here. Which one? 6. I'm so proud of you. I'm gonna pause this.